checkpoint 12.4.6. Okay, if you look at the main methods, it's about the array. Array size is 10. Then next line, we try to print 11 elements, because here when we say list 10, we are looking at the index number 10, but there are 10 elements start from index 0 all the way to 9. So this is going to be outside the array range. So you may have to deal with the array index out of bounds exception. I know it's difficult to remember. That is actually a subclass of runtime exception. So it's not going to end with arithmetic exception. Again, it doesn't have to lead to exception, which is superclass of runtime exception. So in this case, we may end up with this try and catch. Okay, runtime exception. That's all. Thank you.